Hi friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanna actually address this major question that we all have, and that is, can you do this in this limited time? So, number one, if you are somebody who has a strong plan which you are following, which you are able to do stuff, please don't watch this video because this video is not for you. This video is for that person who is actually struggling. This video is for that person who is actually unable to go through with their plans, with the plan which I provided or the plan which they had, and they are like looking at the main videos and being like, okay, there's a lot of main videos in my app. I am not able to complete my targets. I am feeling like I will not reach anywhere in this June exam. So, my dear friend, this video is for you. So, this is this brand new plan which I actually found from PrepLadder itself. So, this is a plan that is rapid revision videos. Rapid revision videos plus QBank of original plus rapid revision QBank plus snapshots notes only to be done by the last month as a revision tool, and also mock test and grand test. So this is a plan which was pre-made by PrepLadder itself, but I could not find this plan, this 50-day plan, in the PrepLadder app. I found it in another app, but I downloaded it, so I'll be able to show it to you later on, or in my Telegram group it's there. So basically the plan goes like this. Every day is divided into like different subjects. So there are 4 days whereby you'll be doing one subject, that is medicine. All these days you'll be watching this one the videos from the rapid revision. Okay, so I found out that how many hours are each videos from medicine, and I found it was worth of these many hours. So I divided each day according to the hours so that I'll be able to finish it, so that it's not too much for me, and also I'll be able to revise. So there are some subjects like Dharma where the hours are very less, like 2 hours 52 minutes. That's like 3 hours, fine. That's very less compared to like medicine, which is 4 hours, and here we see 4 hours 50 minutes, that's radio, or ENT where 4 hours 37 minutes. But we know these subjects are very high yield as well, which means this time is needed and you need to take that information, right? So one reason why I am suggesting this is knowing that the main videos are too long, and there is a small possibility like if you don't finish the main videos, I would always suggest you, more than the videos, the most important thing is a QBank. Solving the QBank is actually going to help us. If we don't solve the QBank, then we are at loss, because we could be watching the video not understanding anything, or we could be watching the video and not grasping the main knowledge, and we could feel like we know stuff. So solving the QBank is always our top most priority. That must be a very important thing for us to do in our day. So this is basically the 50-day plan. I came to know about this from the MedKid Diaries by Suchita. So she was telling about how she is following this for her NEET PG preparation, and I was like, yes, I wanted that same thing. So I searched for it and I found it. So this is basically how the plan looks like, and this I actually customized it according to like how I would like it, but basically this is the thing. Now coming to revision plan. Revision plan other than this, okay? So that is this. If you're not going to be following that, or if you're following that but you want to like integrate subjects, that is the option number 1, anatomy plus ortho, or subjects like that whereby you can integrate them and you can learn. So in the morning you can be learning one subject, and in the afternoon or evening you could be learning another subject, which both of them has got the same stuff. So it will not be like a different subject, but rather it's more interesting for you to do, right? So that is one way of doing it. Number 2 is do your week subject revision first and make sure you know, then for that schedule more time, okay? For that subject you need more time and less time for other subjects. Make your timetable and stick to it. This is for the last 1 or 2 months according to your situation. So basically this plan is for 50 days, 50-day plan, and after this there are like 2 more revisions, I think. Okay, so just make sure whatever you do, stick to it. Don't be moving from one place to another, because it's going to be more hurtful for us at the end than help. Okay, so this is something which I thought of sharing, because many people were asking, can you do this in this limited time? And I was like, that's the same question which went through my head one day. And I thought of, the same thing. And then I did watch the pharma rapid revision and anesthesiology rapid revision, and I was like, okay, fine, I'm fine with the rapid revision videos. Now the only thing is I need to revise them more. I need to do the Q bank, I need to do the snapshot notes, I need to make sure I'm staying consistent and stuff like that. So I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you and not confusing. That's why I said in the beginning, if you have a plan which you are sticking to, which you are not confused by, then you must not watch this video, because this video is not for you. If you are sticking to that plan, stick to that plan till the last day, because if you're doing the main videos and you're fine with it, you're going in that good pace, it's a good thing, do it. Okay, but if you're unable to, that's when you need to change your route. Otherwise you will be stuck. You must not be stuck. Like I told you in the past, we must keep moving, whatever it takes. If the main videos are not working, we have other option, that is rapid revision. So we can always try that. And also today, one of my friends in YouTube itself told me or pointed out that in physio, there are like some topics missing from the rapid revision. So we could make a list of those things which are missing and actually watch it from the main video, so that we have an idea about that topic as well. So we're not missing out a lot, and we are actually studying. We are able to study, because most of the main stuff could have more unnecessary stuff, but this would have all the most important, most high yield stuff which we seriously need. We cannot miss out on this. So that's why I'm like, okay, this is not a bad idea at all. It's not a bad idea at all. But if it is confusing for you, please don't do this. Go ahead with your plan. Go ahead with what you have. Be confident in what you have. Don't be confused about that. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear friends.